Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'll be showing you how you can reactivate your Facebook account. So let me just go and deactivate my dummy account. I'm just here on my profile and I'll just tap on menu, settings, personal and account information, and then go to account ownership and control. Then here is deactivation and deletion. So it says here if I deactivate my account, then my account will be disabled and my name and photos will be removed from most things that I've shared, but I will still be able to continue using Messenger. So if I want that to happen, then I just tap on continue to account deactivation. And then here, they would ask me to just enter my password. And then here are options that I could choose about why I am deactivating my account. So if I choose this and tap on continue, and when I scroll down here, I can automatically reactivate my account. I can even choose the days. So for example, 3 days. But if I don't want that, then I just tap on don't reactivate automatically and then continue. So here's just a little note from Facebook, but I've already read that, so I'm just going to deactivate my account. So now my account is deactivated. The way I can reactivate my account is simply by logging in. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to log in, enter my password, and there you have it. It is automatically back up. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.